Hi guys, welcome back to the Knife Nut channel. Today's a special day to me. It is my wife's birthday. Yes, yesterday was my daughter's birthday, but today we're having her party at a bounce house. I might get a little clip to show y'all. I don't know yet, but yeah, today's my wife's birthday, so it's a special day. So I thought I'd make this little quick video this Sunday. It's race day too, guys. Got two of the Toyotas on the front row. Come on. You got Tyler Reddick, my guy, and you got Bubba Wallace, teammates. And they both drive for Michael Jordan and my main guy, Denny Hamlin. If you don't know, he drives the number 11 Toyota for Joe Gibbs. But I thought I would do this quick little pocket dump and show y'all what I'm carrying on this special day. And I'll let y'all go. Quick and easy. Come on. So, today, I'm carrying a little fancy. Just a little bit fancy. Knife Crazy, if you're on here, I'm sure you will like this first one. It is like a case modern, I guess you could say. It is a 2012 Trapper lock with the thumb stud, with the pocket clip. And this, my friends, is what they call sunset. It's like a red, orange, black, whitish color. They call that a sunset with an acorn shield. This is not one of the quick releases. It don't have a spring in this one. It's the real McCoy, one of the older styles. The pocket clip is not, you can't switch the pocket clip. It's tip down carry, what it is. You just roll it. The tank stamp says 6154 LC SS. So Knife Crazy, if you see this, I'm carrying fancy. Come on. We slide that back in the pocket. And I'll show you my last one I'm carrying today. I'm carrying a lot, but this one is a full-size gun stock. And it is black micarta with the hot dog shield. This is a 4-inch knife. Got that spear point. This one is a 2000 10 dot 2000. It's got that long pull. Got that long pull. Got all the swedging you'd want on a knife. It's even got a long pull on the pen blade with all the swedging. They did this one up. The tank stamp says 102130 SS. Straight down Broadway, just the way Big E likes it. It's got pinch bolsters. God, that's a good looking knife. Black micarta. So this one has pinch bolsters too. It's got an easy open right there for you can get your thumb in there to flick it open. It's got one of them hollow grinds. It's got a hollow grind. You see it right there. It's just done up. It's straight down Broadway. And this one is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 dot 2012 copper lock. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed my quick pocket dump. You always have to carry at least 2 knives or you are not a man. Let me tell you. One knife just don't cut it. Come on. But thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I got to get off here. Got to go get ready. Got to take the wife out for her birthday. And then I got to take my little 9-year-old, her birthday was yesterday, to the bounce house. So y'all stay classy. You hear?